In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive not syncing on Windows 11. If your OneDrive files have stopped updating or changes are not appearing across your devices, don't worry. One of the quickest and easiest things you can try is restarting the sync process directly from the OneDrive menu. This method is simple, fast, and often enough to clear a temporary syncing issue without changing any of your files or settings. To begin, look at the taskbar in Windows 11 and find the OneDrive cloud icon. It's usually located near the bottom right corner of the screen, close to the clock and system tray icons. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click on it to open the OneDrive panel. When the OneDrive window opens, look for the settings gear icon. This is typically found in the upper area of the panel. Click the gear icon to open the available options. This menu gives you quick access to common OneDrive controls, including the ability to manage syncing behavior. From that menu, select Pause Syncing. This temporarily stops OneDrive from checking for changes and uploading or downloading files. After you pause syncing, wait a few seconds. This short pause helps refresh the service and can resolve minor connection or background process issues that may be preventing OneDrive from syncing properly. After those few seconds, go back to the same menu and click Resume Syncing. This tells OneDrive to start the sync process again. In many cases, this small reset is enough to get things moving normally. Once syncing resumes, give it a moment and then check whether your files begin updating again. As a helpful tip, after resuming sync, keep an eye on the OneDrive icon. If everything is working correctly, the status should update and any pending files should begin processing. If the icon continues to show a problem, you may need to explore additional fixes, but this is always a great first step because it's quick and non-invasive. That's it. By opening the OneDrive icon, accessing the settings gear, pausing sync, and then resuming it, you can often fix OneDrive not syncing on Windows 11 in less than a minute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.